If you thought part 1 was cute, oh man, just wait until you see these dioramas. Hey mini dreamers, welcome back to part 2 of my visit to the Miniature Enthusiasts of Montreal show. Today I'm going to be diving into some of the most creative and detailed miniature dioramas that you've ever seen. From cozy kitchens to spooky mansions and everything in between. Seeing all these tiny pieces come together in these little scenes, absolute magic. Stick around. I guarantee you'll walk away with tons of ideas for your own tiny creations. Just a little quick heads up. I have to apologize. Some of my footage is still a little shaky or blurry. I was working with what I had, okay? Don't judge. Feel free to use YouTube's speed controls if you'd like to slow things down a bit if I'm going too fast. That way you can soak in all of the details. I really did my best to include all of the amazing artists' names, either before or right after each diorama. But if you happen to notice that I missed someone, please let me know in the comments so that I can make it right. Supporting these creators is super important to me. Okay, I'm gonna let you check these out now. Enjoy! Have you picked a favorite yet? Let me know in the comments. I'm seriously having the hardest time choosing just one. that wraps up part 2 of my MEM show adventure. I hope you're feeling just as inspired and amazed as I was seeing all of these dioramas in person. Don't forget to drop your favorite scene in the comments. I love hearing what sparked your imagination. And if you haven't seen part 1 yet, definitely check it out next. There's a whole world of tiny treasures waiting for you there. I'll link it in the description. Thank you so much for watching, Mini Dreamers. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell so you never miss a miniature moment. Bye for now.